Wastewater Engineering Unit 3, second treatment of sewage. We are going to see about trickling filters. Biological treatment techniques. There are three major biological treatment techniques. One is attached growth process. It's also mentioned as fixed film process. Second one is suspended growth process, and the third one is combined process. The three major biological treatment techniques. The growth is attached and the suspension will be done for the microorganisms, and both the attached and suspended growth is combined. In the attached growth process, the process of microorganisms responsible for conversion of organic matter present in wastewater, which converted gases and cell tissues which are attached to some inert medium such as rock, slag, ceramic or plastic material. This process includes intermittent sand filters, trickling filters, rotating biological contactors, packed bed reactors, anaerobic lagoon, fixed film denitrification. We've already seen about slow sand filter, rapid sand filter, trickling filter in water supply engineering. Here also we are seeing about the intermittent sand filter. It is nothing but the filter bed is made of sand layer. The thickness might be large, and the trickling filter also we are fixing the sand filter. The one thing which is modified is there will be a sprayed nozzle. The water will be supplied not by a normal flow. The water will be sprayed in the tank. We will see it later. Rotating biological contactor, there will be a contactor which rotates. There will be a disc, number of disc, which is mounted on a shaft, which will be rotated in the wastewater partially. It is a partial open system, so it collects oxygen from the atmosphere, and the process is partially done. Through that, there will be no chemicals added to this process. Only by natural process it collects oxygen from the atmosphere, and the shaft gets rotated. Through that, the chemical pollutants, contaminants will be removed. So this is named as rotating biological contactors. The packed bed reactors, anaerobic lagoons. Anaerobic lagoons are by the anaerobic process, by the anaerobic decomposition, is not supply of oxygen, and also fixed film denitrification. The suspended growth process, the conversion of organic matter to the gases and cell tissues are maintained in suspension within the liquid in the reactor by employing either natural or mechanical mixing. It includes activated sludge process, aerated lagoons, sludgeization system, suspended growth nitrification and denitrification. The combined process includes trickling filter, activated sludge, in combination, and also the facultative lagoons. A trickling filter, it consists of mainly four parts: watertight holding tank, distribution system, filter media, and the under drainage system. This is the entire section. You have to remember, whenever you come across the word trickling filter, remember this diagram. So here we can see there will be distributor arm. The water gets collected from the inlet from the bottom. We can see from the bottom. Feed pipe from the influent is supplied from bottom to the top through a riser. So water moves from downwards to upward side through a riser. Here the water through the distributor arm gets rotated clockwise direction. That is mentioned as a spray nozzles. Through that nozzle the water gets sprayed out in the tank as a filtered media in a parabolic shape. So the water gets sprayed, it gets filtered out through that filter media, and the water gets collected in the bottom side of the tank. And there's also an air pipe for ventilation and undraining system. Through the undraining, the treated water it's supplied through the under drains and collected out through the effluent channel. The tank is either rectangular or square if fixed nozzles are used, and circular in shape if rotatory distributor are used. If there is only nozzle, it might be in the shape of rectangular square. If there is a distributed arm, the shape will be in circular. As rotating distributors are more reliable and easy to maintain and operate, commonly used method is circular shape. The walls are either masonry or concrete walls. They are constructed such that they should withstand the pressure exerted by sewage from inside. The walls are made watertight. The underdrain system is supported by a floor which slopes to a collection channel. It also consists of filter media, which should have high specific surface area, high percent void space, resistance to abrasion, and insoluble in sewage water. The biological process. The sewage is allowed to sprinkle over the filter media through nozzles or rotatory distributors. It sprinkles over. It is mainly done by aerobic bacteria, which forms a bacterial film known as biofilm or slime layer around filter media. This aerobic only up to the depth of 0.1 to 0.2 mm. The remaining part is anaerobic. So here both aerobic and anaerobic process done. The organic matter is degraded by aerobic microorganisms on the outer portion of the biofilm. The food concentration is high in this tank at the outer surface of the biofilm. Hence, the growth of microorganisms is more at the outer surface of the biofilm. The most diffused oxygen is consumed by microorganisms at the outer surface before it reaches the depth. Hence, anaerobic environment is developed near the inner surface of the biofilm. Here we can see the schematic diagram of attached growth process in a trickling filter. The microbial film can be done in two processes, aerobic and anaerobic. The filter medium, through the filter medium, anaerobic process and anaerobic process is done. Nutrition is supplied, oxygen is supplied, and we get the end products by the movement of wastewater. Eventually, there is coating of slime layer due to flowing liquid, and fresh slime layer begins to grow on the media. This phenomenon is known as called slowing or unloading. Trickling filter is always preceded by primary sedimentation with skimming devices. To remove the scum, the effluent from the filter is then taken to secondary sedimentation tank for settling out organic solids oxidized while passing through filter.